Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys one of the best application that I just came across on the App Store. It is for how to get a photo widget on your lock screen. So that's right, as we can see right here, I have nothing on my screen right now, but what I'm going to walk you guys through this whole process, how to get the photo widget on your lock screen. So let's get this started. And what you want to do, you want to go to the App Store and search. Let me show you guys. So if we go to the App Store, right here, you go to search bar and shelf. So this is the app right here. The shelf create live activity. This is the app right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you guys can just download from there. And as we can see right here, it is downloaded on my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this is the application look like when you download. Open it up and you get this welcome screen, and as you can see right here, and we can read welcome to shelf, and pin photo, text, and action to your lock screen, dynamic island, and home screen. So you can do all these things with this. And what you want to do, hit continue. And once we continue this, and it will bring you to this right here. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see better a little bit. Okay, there you go. So as we can see right here, what kind of shelf would you like to create? So what you want to do for this purpose of this video, you want to look for the photo right here, and you want to click on that. It will take you to this right here, and then you got three options right here. You got the home, the lock screen, dynamic island. As you guys can see, it will look like this, and small widget right here. And so you got three options. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at the lock screen option. So when we click on right here, it says add photo. We're going to pick this photo for the purpose of this video. And as we can see, there's a photo, and if we scroll down, and you can adjust that photo in this right here, this part. As we can see right here, you can zoom in, zoom out like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust it right here. And as you guys can see, it got adjusted on top. And then there is the small widget right here in the bottom. And now if we click on the dynamic island right there in the middle icon right there, and it will show you, that's what it's going to look like on your dynamic island. And what you want to do, all you want to do is launch right here. And as we can see right here, launch shelf. When launching a shelf, you will be returned to the home screen. Tap OK to tap OK and swipe down from the top of the screen to view your shelf. So we're gonna hit OK, and we can, as you guys can see, the exit out of the app. And this is what it's going to look like on your dynamic island. And if we swipe down from the top, and as we can see right here, this is your widget look like on your lock screen. So if we lock the phone, as we can see, now it's a lock in a sleep mode. And you got the photo right here on your lock screen. So if we unlock it, as we can see right here, and what do you want to do, if we see right there, the if you don't like the in a dynamic island, so what do you want to do, you want to swipe from left to middle of the screen. This is the long press. Just swipe and it will disappear from the dynamic island. And if you swipe right, it will bring the picture back, and this is what your dynamic island going to look like. So if you want a 3D touch, and it will bring up the photo like this. So this is really awesome app, and it is 100% free on the App Store as of recording of this video. And if you guys want to check it out, go ahead, download and check it out, and let me know in the comments below what do you guys think about this. And also, if you guys need the link to this shelf application, going to be in the description below, and that way you guys easily go from that link to download on your device. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know what do you guys think about this in the comments below. And also please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. That's all for right now. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.